guys, Nathan's vlogs here. Sorry guys that I haven't made any vlogs yet. I've been suffering with dengue and fever this week, so I did not able to make vlogs, but I'm almost better. Today we have the Mega Art set. This was for my 7th birthday, one of my gifts. I have many more today to show, so let's do this. It has 168 pieces. Ta-da! Let's go drawing. We have my crayon, my colored pens, my pencil, my colors, and markers, glue, eraser, and pencil sharpener. Let's start drawing. Can you end it? Can you pause? So guys, we're back. We're gonna draw the living building between the White House and let's do a square. Do a triangle, right? Using put a small piece and make it go down, and separate holes for 3 each. Do one window, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and open it, but with the door. What is that sound? What just happened?
Maybe it's an ambulance.
Who just got hurt, guys? I don't know what happened. Did you know to put the other 3 back? You put each 3 eyes. My mom might get scared of this because he has a pair of eyes. I have a lot of eyes. Do that. And for that, I will do 4 signature like spider legs. To the left, that was my experience, he said, going crazy like that. Small eye tree. Okay, that's bad. Okay. And with the power of magic, I'm done. Next, you draw a flat piece. Put each 4 pencils. Put a signature, another plating. And put unnerving 2 more. Put 2 lines. And put 2 slants here. put put two spider legs right here. Okay, that's terrible. Pause. I fixed it, guys, so yeah. Put 4 more legs. Each put. Arrange these parts. Each of these 4 leggings put out back. And then do one more thing. Good. Have more practice. Up here, do this. Okay guys, the color of the house should be what could we do? Color, really good. Every picture in the side and start to lighten it up. Put each brown signature in the legs. Put this here. Don't mind the parts that have been but I will erase those later. And this also stick. Parts and I made a mistake. Oil paste. They took the view at this oily pasting. This is oil. This is called oil paste cardboard. You get this oil paste. So it's not like this. And it's this one. Change it with like a whole black. And it's really good. Type in the comments what's your